Hello, in this video we're gonna check if a OnePlus Nord 2T has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, we'll need to check on how many speakers does this phone have. Here's the call speaker in the top side of the phone, in the bottom right here, and that's it. There's no speaker on the sides, and the same on the back. Now in order to check if this one or have mono or stereo speaker, we'll need to cover each of the speaker and see if the sound is coming from two sources. If it does, that means it has a stereo speaker. If it's not, that means it has mono speaker. Let's check this out. First, let's start with call speaker. So clearly sound doesn't come from this one. Now let's check the bottom one. Or actually it does. So this means this phone actually have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.